Hello everyone. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. I found some new items that I want to show you. But look at this. I found these treat bags. I have not seen this at any of my Dollar Trees but one store. These are treat bags and they're like a glassine bag. See there? It's a nice decent size for a lot of goodies. So I picked up two of these because you get 6 bags in each package. If I need more, I may go ahead and grab some more. But I just like the design on this one. Now, they do have other designs, so hopefully you see these bags at your store and you can pick some up. So besides that, I did find some new arts and craft stuff. Look. My store finally has the acrylic board, but only in these two sizes. So this one is a 5x7, and then the smaller one is a 4x6. I'm still on the hunt for the larger one. I think it's an 8x10 is the next size up. I'm not sure. But I did find these, so I went ahead and picked up one each. I need the large one, is why I only picked up one of the smaller ones. So. And it looks to be like some sort of film protection on here. I think that you can pull this off. Yeah. See, it has a protective cover, so you when you're ready to work on it, just pull that up. Front and back is covered, so that'll keep it from scratching until you get it home and start working it on yourself. So I got that one. And then I found these. These are wood frames. There are 4 different designs altogether. I picked up only these 2. And you get 4 frames in each package. Let me open one. So see, it's not that thick. It's a nice, good layer, especially if you're doing like a 3D effect on a project. This will be wonderful. Even if you're doing like frame art, this is great. Nice. So yeah, I picked up this design there. And this design. See, I like the swirly swirls. I also found this. These are A2 cards with the envelope. You get 10 sets. So 20 pieces in each bag. They come in the color white and black. I did not see black, but I did see one of the Dollar Tree haulers show that there is a black available. But I like this paper look or cardboard look. So, I mean, I can make it myself, but why? It's already made, right? And it has a matching envelope, so see. And I like the envelope. It's nice and soft. And the card is not that thick, so which is good, so it's still bendable. So I got this one. I mean, I have enough. I only needed one package. So I got that. And then, oh look, I found this too. Well, mine is falling apart, or maybe that's how it's supposed to go. I did pick up 2 of these. This is the Aesthetic Wall Collage Kit, or Zen Aesthetic Wall Collage Kit. And you get 30 posters. Includes 30 sheets, 4 by 6 inches. So if you want to see it all together, that's what it looks like. But I figure we'll go through it. See, it's a nice postcard size, right? So here we go. Look. There's that one. Hold on. Let me. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Quiet on your mind. And then these are ferns. This one's nice. Look, it's a marble effect. All is well. Shapes. Oh, look at this. Look at that lily. Very pretty. And then here's one, an open one. So you got two different flowers for your ponds, right? Cute. And then you have the whole Zen thing going on. You got your Buddha, your fire, you have your rocks and your water. Oh, here's another pond flower. Pretty. And then there's this Be Still and the Zen garden. A bonsai. How cute. Another pond picture with the white flower. Pretty. Look at that one. That one's nice too. The Zen garden. So all this, everything in here is about Zen. So they're like portrait. These paper, they call them paper. I don't know. It's more like portrait. You get that glossy picture on one side, and then you get the blank backing on there. And then there's that one. That one's nice too. I like that. A stream with the waterfalls. Layers of sand. This one says breathe. A white marble. Focus on the good. Meditate. Focus on what you can control. Adjust your expectations. Very nice. I did pick up the 2 package, so it is really cute. There are, I believe, 4 designs altogether, so hopefully you see these at your store also, and that you take a look. And then choose the ones you want. And then I found these. These are foil flakes. You get it in gold, rose gold, and silver. Well, these are the only 3 that I saw. Let's see. You get 0.035 ounces. Oh no, I'm going to make a mess, but look. Huh. Yeah, don't open it until you're ready to use. Let me see if I can stuff it back in there. These are nice soft foil. It's not like, you know, that crunchy, thick foils that some like to use. Let's see. Very soft flakes. Nice. So there we go. So that was the gold. And this, the rose gold and the silver. Nice. I already bought like a bunch of foil like this from another store, so I didn't need that much. But now that I feel these are very soft, I may go back and grab some more. And then the last item I picked up is this 100 transparent sticky notes. Now I already bought some before, but I wanted another one of the hot pink pads, and I found it, so I'm quite happy. They're so cute. I love the colors. Nice. So, and a sample here. And then there we go. Oh, can you see? Oh, cute. Well, now, if you don't like something this thick or this large, your transparent thing, and you wish you had smaller, there's nothing wrong with taking a pair of scissors and trimming them down to the size you need. See? Now you just have a tiny strip like that. Another one like that. And then, of course, there's that. Now you can layer it in different colors, right? Have fun with these transparencies. And they'll be wonderful in like journals. You can stick them in your journal projects. Pink, hot pink, so cute. Now again, there's I believe there's like 6 different colors. I have a video a while back from a Dollar Tree haul that shows all the colors I found. So kind of scroll back through the Dollar Tree hauls and you can take a look at all the shades I found. So these are the cute items I picked up. I like this. These things are nice. I may go back and grab some more of these Zen cards because when I read that it says paper, so I was thinking it's going to be like, you know, just a regular paper like this. But it has a nice glossy finish. It'll make a cute postcard because it's the correct size. Make your own postcards. Why not, right? And then, of course, I have my new frames. I'm going to put these in my supply box so I have them when I need it. I'm sure I will have plenty of reasons to use that. And then my new acrylic boards. I'm not quite sure what to do with these yet, but I will keep them close by until I do find a reason to use this. But I'm looking forward to finding the larger one. You know, you can always buy like 4 of these, put them together, make your own lantern, right? Or if you have like a broken glass in one of your lanterns at this size, replace the glass with some acrylic boards. It'll be one long-lasting lantern. I hope that you find everything you are looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree, that you find everything that you are looking for on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.